In this video, I will be showing you how to use the closed captions feature on our YouTube videos, as well as how to translate those captions into any language that you would like. First, when you're playing our videos, obviously we will click play. We have the ability to turn on or off our volume by choosing the mute and the volume level. But if you want to turn the closed captions on, you must click the CC subtitles or closed caption button. As you can see, this is automatically turned on. I am going to turn that off, and they are toggled off. If I'd like to turn the captions on again, I simply move my mouse and click the closed captions button. If I would like to change the language, I simply move to the gear or settings symbol, click on that, and choose the subtitle option. When choosing the subtitle option, I see an option to auto-translate these captions. I will choose that, and then I simply navigate down to the language of my preference. As you can see, I am going to choose Spanish as an option. Once I choose Spanish, YouTube automatically translates the captions to that language. If I would like to change the language to another choice, I simply choose these settings again and go back to these languages by choosing Auto Translate. Once choosing Auto Translate, I can scroll to the desired language. Here, I have translated it to French. This could be done for any language that is available through YouTube's translation services. I hope this has been a helpful video for you,
and encourage you to check out more of our video resources